This will be part one of a series that I'll be doing called How to Get C6 style tones out of the E9 neck. It's a lot easier than you think. This first part, we're going to discuss some simple chords that you can play. We're going to use the George Strait song, The Fireman, as an example in the key of A. Let me play you what we're going to discuss, and then we'll break it down. First off, there's no pedals that will be involved. We're just going to be using the knee lever that lowers strings 4 and 8 from an E to a D sharp. Sounds like this. The song is in the key of A. The chords we're going to be using will be A6, D7, and E7. Now, the way that we're going to reference finding these C6 style chords for this particular part 1 lesson is we're going to find our pedals down position chord. In this case, it's A at fret 12. Release the pedals and back down 2 frets to fret 10. Engage the knee lever that lowers strings 4 and 8, and then we're going to hit strings 4, 5, and 6, strings 5 and 6, and strings 8, 6, and 5. Now, playing this style, a lot of it is in the attitude of the slide and the vibrato. So let's take strings 4, 5, and 6 at fret 10, back down to fret 9, and slide into fret 10. And you start to hear it, right? Now strings 5 and 6 come from fret 9 to fret 10. And strings 8, 6, and 5 from fret 9 to fret 10. And you're already hearing that sound. Again, it's in the attitude of the slide and the vibrato. I mean, you could slide it in twice. There's your A6 or your 1 chord. When we go to the 4 chord, we're going to stay at fret 10. We're going to release the knee lever and hit strings 9, 6, and 5 at fret 10. That's going to be our D7. And same thing applies here where we can come from fret 9 into fret 10. And again, you could slide in twice. Alright, and then back to the A, engage the knee lever. I'm going to hit strings 4, 5, and 6. Alright, to get to the E, release the knee lever, and we're going to go to fret 12 and hit strings 9, 6, and 5. That's your E7. Now you can slide from fret 11 to fret 12. So there's your 3 chords. So you got A6, D7, back to A6, and then it's A6 again, then E7, A6, D7, A6, E7, back to A6. And you'll want to just toy around with it. It's not that difficult to figure this out, but it's all in the attitude and how you play it. So have fun with this one. Please make sure to leave me some feedback and some comments in the sections below. Give this video a like, and please hit that subscribe button. Your support really helps this channel to grow. There you go.